Hey guys, welcome back to Dexteroid, and today we're going to look at the first Galaxy S9 hands-on video leaks. So we have seen a lot of leaks in the past few days, and as we move closer to the release of the Galaxy S9, we are getting more and more leaks and info about the phone. And as you guys know that the Samsung will unveil the Galaxy S9 in the Mobile World Congress 2018 on 25th Feb, and before that the Galaxy S9 has now been spotted in a couple of video leaks. The first video here appeared on the Vivo on Wednesday, where it shows a guy doing some kind of touch sensitivity test on the Galaxy S9. The video does not reveal much about the phone's interface, though it is likely to be powered by the Android Oreo since the Oreo updates of the other phones are almost on the way. And as you can see in the video, the front panel appeared to be identical to what is on the Galaxy S8. The second video leaked here by the same Chinese source just shows the top and the bottom of the display. But there is one thing we can tell from these leaks, that the Galaxy S9 won't come with a major design change on the front as well as on the back, although it will come with a better fingerprints placement which will be placed just below the cameras. The S9 may not have a major design changes, however the Galaxy S9 is said to have this dimensions that makes it a thicker and wider but shorter than the Galaxy S8. The S9 Plus on the other hand is rumored to have this dimensions, which also makes it shorter, wider and thicker than the Galaxy S8 Plus. Both the new smartphones are likely to include a larger battery pack than their predecessor, and this might be the exact reason for the extra thickness on the phones. There's also been a leak of the retail box of the Galaxy S9, which shows that the smartphone will support a super speed camera technology, which will be a dual pixel 12 megapixel camera sensor and a lens that supports optical image stabilization. And this camera will have an aperture of f1.5 and f2.4. The image also highlights the phone will have a stereo speakers that are powered by AKG. So that means that the Galaxy S9 may not come with a major design changes, however it will come with a better camera than what we can see on the S8 or Note 8. And will also come with a stereo speaker, which is a good thing as the S8 had a bad speaker quality. And the camera did not come with a significant improvement from its predecessor, that is the Galaxy S7. But this time around there will be some good changes in the hardware front, if not in the design section. So that's it guys, let me know what you think about the new video leak of the Galaxy S9. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos as soon as I upload them. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.